You ever wonder why a certain smell can just instantly flip your mood? Or why a specific sound can make you feel a little anxious for no reason? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on this invisible, automatic process that's running in your brain pretty much 24/7. So let me start with a question for you. Why on earth would a simple, totally harmless word make someone physically flinch, like they're about to get hit? The answer is kind of fascinating, and it tells us a lot about how our minds are wired.
And it all makes sense when you see it in action. All you need is a volunteer, a list of random words, and believe it or not, a spray bottle full of water.
Okay, so first things first. We all have these built-in reflexes, right? Things we don't have to learn how to do. You get sprayed in the face with water, you're gonna flinch. Every time. It's just a natural, what you'd call an unconditioned response.
So in this experiment, every single time our volunteer hears the word can, she gets a little spray of water to the face. So we're taking a totally neutral word and pairing it with something that causes a reflex. See where this is going? So what's actually happening inside her brain? Well, you can think of your brain as this incredible association machine. It's a survival tool, really. It's always, and I mean always, working in the background, trying to connect the dots and predict what's coming next. And here's exactly how that new connection gets built. Step 1. You've got the basic reflex. The water spray causes a flinch. Easy enough. Step 2. The pairing. The word can is said right before the spray again and again. And after a little while, bam. Step 3. The brain builds a new shortcut. Now, just the word can all by itself is enough to make her flinch. And this is that kind of magic moment where everything changes. The word can started as nothing, a neutral sound. But now, it's become what's called a conditioned stimulus. And that flinch isn't just a reflex anymore. It's a brand new learned behavior, a conditioned response. And this whole thing, this powerful, automatic, unconscious learning process, it has a name: classical conditioning. It's really just your brain learning to connect something that meant nothing with something that already gets a natural reaction out of you. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool lab experiment, but I promise you, this is not just some weird party trick. This exact thing is happening to you all the time in hundreds of little ways every single day. You ever notice how just the smell of coffee can make you feel a little more awake, even before you've taken a sip? Yep, that's classical conditioning. Your brain has linked the smell with the kick from the caffeine. Or how about that specific buzz or ping from your phone? You don't even think about it, you just reach for it. That's because you've associated that one little sound with getting a message or a notification. Oh, and advertisers are the absolute masters of this. They are constantly showing you their product next to images of happy people, fun parties, or healthy activities. Why? So your brain will subconsciously connect their soda or their car with those good feelings. And it works on the negative side too, and it can happen super fast. All it takes is getting food poisoning one time from, say, some bad fish, and for years after, just the smell of that food can make you feel sick to your stomach. That's a powerful one-time lesson for your brain. Okay, so this stuff sounds pretty powerful, almost like these connections are hardwired into us for good. But what if they're not? What if you could break the link? So that's the big question, right? Are we stuck with these learned responses forever? And the answer, which is really good news, is no, they're not permanent. If the brain keeps hearing the word can, but the water spray never comes, it eventually learns that its prediction was wrong. The link gets weaker and can even disappear. This whole idea of unlearning an association is actually the foundation for incredibly effective therapies that help people get over huge fears and anxieties. So really, here's the bottom line. Classical conditioning isn't just some dusty old theory in a textbook. It is a living, breathing force that is constantly shaping your gut reactions, your feelings, your habits every single day. It's a simple idea with huge effects, and it's truly one of the most basic, most primal parts of our psychology.